Are you ready for adventure, nature, fun attractions and signature experiences for your next family vacation? Well then, welcome to Bloomington, Minnesota, the state of 10,000 lakes. Its location near the Minneapolis International Airport and the Twin Cities of St. Paul and Minneapolis and the renowned Mall of America means there is plenty for your family to enjoy and experience. So check out these things to do in or near Bloomington, Minnesota. Visit the Radisson Nature Center. The Radisson Nature Center offers peace and beauty in the middle of the hustle and bustle of the city. Inside the center, you'll get to meet resident raptors, reptiles, eagles, amphibians, and bees up close. And on the outside, you'll find hiking trails through diverse habitats of oak forests and wetlands. Eat a Juicy Lucy burger. The 5-8 Club is the home of the original Juicy Lucy burger. Now, what is the Juicy Lucy burger? Well, it's where you put the cheese inside the patty. Now, why didn't I think of that before? You may want to grab some extra napkins, as they do live up to their name and they're very delicious. Follow the love story of the Indian princess Minnehaha and the Indian warrior Hiawatha at the Minnehaha Recreational Park. Now, it's a large city park on the shores of the Mississippi River that's filled with trails, play stations, a replica of the Longfellow House, and a waterfall. Minnehaha Falls thunders 53 feet over limestone bluffs and is one of the top things to do in Minneapolis. You'll love the lush jungled foliage surrounding the falls in the summer. Although we thought the frozen icicles when we visited in the colder months pretty spectacular. Do we have any Prince fans in the house? Well, Paisley Park was his home and recording studio in Chanhassen near Bloomington. You can now take a tour of Paisley Park to learn what it was like for Prince to create, produce and perform inside his private sanctuary. You'll see iconic concert outfits, musical instruments, his favourite motorcycles and rare music and video recordings. Now, there is a VIP tour which gives you a little extra, including being able to record with Prince. Happens only on Thursdays. Do that tour, it's awesome.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
She wore a raspberry beret, the kind you find in a second-hand store. Follow up the Prince experience with Captain Randy on Prince the Tour. This 3-hour tour takes you to different places in Chanhassen, where Prince lived, and Minneapolis, including his childhood home, kids' home from the movie Purple Rain, First Avenue, and his favourite record store, Electric Feeders. Don't forget to kiss the giant purple Prince at the end of the tour. And of course, be sure to shop, stay and play and eat at the Mall of America, the largest mall in America. It includes a theme park, multiple family-friendly attractions, entertainment and dining options to suit any style and budget. It is a whole lot of fun inside that mall. Be sure to check out our videos on Radisson Blu Hotel and Great Wolf Lodge for 2 great places to stay in Bloomington, and watch our epic guide on the Mall of America. Links are in the description below. Now, before you go, tell me in the comments what's your favorite thing to do in the Bloomington area in Minnesota. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel with the notification bell on. Many thanks to Bloomington CVB, Mall of America and their partners for sponsoring this video.